Not too bumpy for an afternoon flight though, it's okay. But boy, is it hot.
I wish I had put a mark on this dipstick so I knew what half a tank was, because I think I'm down to quarter tank now. And of course that makes me nervous. Although I know there's like 1 to 2 gallons after the dipstick is completely down, so that I should really determine.
Well, you should be able to easily make Dauphin, and then once we get there, you can fill up totally, and then you'll get a great idea of how much fuel burn you actually had.
Yeah. 30 miles to go. I had you, but now I don't have you.
Yeah, I'm at your, I don't know, 4:30. I'm gonna come up to you at 3 o'clock again. Your airplane looks so good in the air. Like, it looks super World War II. It's amazing.
Yeah, I really like this paint job, actually.
Man, if you had a bigger engine and the gear up, that plane must be super fast.
Yeah, I'm sort of thinking that now. And then if he puts little doors onto the gear, then it'll be even smoother.
Okay, I think we're rolling with the GoPro. Now it's gonna do a little dive, get some speed. Go for a nice roll.
All clear. Let her go.
Dive to 130. Pull up and roll it over. Yeehaw!
All right, very nice.
Yeehaw! Maybe pull off one more. Also looks like a huge forest just west of us.
That's Riding Mountain National Park.
Oh yeah, this sort of 330 is probably about good, or 320.
And I cannot see my wingmates. Womp womp. Luckily, the air traffic controller is in a different town, Brandon, trying to control this airport remotely. So I have no transponder on. Pretty sure there's no radar coverage considering there's high terrain over to my left wing. We're like below the high terrain, so that terrain is blocking me and Brandon where the air traffic controller is. Unless they have a remote radar satellite, a radar dish over here. Okay, good news. I saw my wingman. Let me go down and dive to him. Alright, now we're on his 6 car. Let's slow her down. I'll really drag her in this time because I'm still on the runway. Oh, beautiful, man. Look at that. You can land this thing right on the threshold.
My engine just died here on 26.
I'll just taxi around you. Oh, I had the smoothest landing ever.
Brendan, radio at Dauphin. This is Golf Kilo Oscar. I am stopped on runway 26. Golf Whiskey is going to go around me. I'm going to attempt to restart my engine here to taxi to the apron.
Golf, Kilo
Awesome.
Brandon, radio at Dauphin. Golf Kilo Oscar is now taxiing runway 26 and down runway 32.
Golf Kilo Oscar, roger. Report down and clear all runways. Welcome. Golf Kilo Oscar.
Holy schmanoli. That was exciting and weird. Oh my gosh, it is crazy hot in this bubble canopy. It's got to be 40 degrees in here right now. Oh, there's a VOR. You don't see those much anymore. But,
What's happening over there? Helicopter? No, not helicopter, jet. What's this guy doing? Alright, time to get some gas on this bad boy. Maybe that was the helicopter's engine spooling up, spooling down. What happened, man? Why did your engine die?
I don't know, but there was a big hiccup on 2 mile final when I pulled it back to 1500 flap speed, and it was like kukung, and I was like, okay, gonna put the power back
Oh God.
and not touch it until runway's assured.
Wow. You think it was fuel starvation?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna say maybe because it's so hot and I can't lean this carb. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe there's some dirt in the carb. Like I'm down to like low fuel, 3 gallons left, but I still am surprised. But it was idling there fine.
Yeah.
And I was just playing with it a bit. And
so when the engine died, was it because you were on idle power for so long?
I was in the rollout, so I pulled the power back.
Yeah.
And it doesn't normally die when I pull it right back to idle.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
I mean, this happened in the summer on this plane before too, where the engine doesn't run so well when it's this hot and altitude density is this high.
You know what? It's humid today, and the carb heat isn't really great on this airplane. So maybe I had a bit of carb ice and it just didn't like it.
Could be.
What I should have done maybe is at high power setting before we started our descent, just had the carb heat on for a while.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll do that. I'm not too concerned because it's fine now. So I don't know. We'll fill it up and we'll see.
Let's go see that helicopter guy who took us for a flight.
But yeah, it was. It just died. I was like pumping it like back. Oh.
Like as you were rolling out, or were you taxiing already?
I was done the rollout. I was already slow. But yeah.
Oh, that's alarming.
Well, at 2 mile final, when I was slow in the flap speed, I had the power back to 1500, and it stumbled, and I was like, I'm gonna put that power back up, and I'm just gonna wait till runway's assured before I put the flaps in.
That sounds wise.
But yeah, fun stuff.
But so,
We're at 5% power. Yes. What did we get, Bruce?
We got the Ford Escape 1993 edition.
Dauphin courtesy car, airport car. This one has lights, I hope.
Yeah.
Not like Winkler.
Morning. Let's get some slurpies. Yes.
With us always is Dan. Way to go. Well, here we are in Dauphin. We landed our planes. We got the courtesy car. We got Slurpies. Oh yeah. And we found this beaver in the park in Dauphin. The Dauphin.
Runway 26 at 2100 Zulu, wind 260 at 10, gusting 19, number 2980. Traffic
41,
reported backtrack
48,
32, departure southeast.
50,
An RV
55, rotate,
with 2 other aircraft,
6, climbing out, 65.
1000 and MiniCab.
Charlie Foxtrot, Mike, Central Marks, we'll keep our eyes open for traffic and we'll try to get down.
Goodbye, beautiful town of Dauphin. Thank you for the Slurpee. Aha, there she is, the Slurpee from Dauphin. Good stopover. like an old airport triangle thing here.
Yeah, so that's actually the relief field for Dauphin. So if the weather was bad or there was an accident at Dauphin, they would come and land at this field.
Well, it's like a forest over the beautiful town. Beautiful lake. Beautiful air. But yeah, I'm definitely the slowest, I think, today. Sneeze. Well, update for you guys. We've been flying with a good tailwind now. We're doing 115 knots back to St. Andrews. And my Slurpee is done. No more Slurpee from finally merging on my friends again. RV4 friend over there. Hope you can see him. MiniCab friend over there. Crest traffic, Bravo Golf Whiskey, short final 27, full stop, lane crest. Oh, look how green these fields are. Beautiful. Let's get low. Low over this green grass. Oh, yeah. Smooth and nice, but the road is bumpy. On the way home. In crest traffic, Bravo Golf Whiskey, taxiing back to the clubhouse. Clear of 27, my crest.